Welcome to another exciting episode where we uncover hidden treasures in the world of rare coins. Today we're diving deep into one of the most remarkable pieces of American numismatic history, the 1793 flowing hair 1-cent coin. This isn't just any coin, this is a true marvel that stands as a shining example of America's birth in coinage. With its captivating design, historical significance, and astonishing market value, this rare coin is considered a crown jewel among collectors. If you're a coin enthusiast or an investor looking for something truly special, you won't want to miss what we have in store. The 1793 flowing hair cent, especially in a black shaded, very fine condition, is not only a prized artifact, but also a symbol of early American pride and artistic craftsmanship. The 1793 flowing hair cent was the very first 1-cent coin officially produced by the United States Mint. It holds the honor of being struck during the very year the U.S. Mint began operations in Philadelphia, making it an inaugural issue that laid the foundation for centuries of American coinage. Designed by Henry Voigt, the coin features a striking image of Lady Liberty with flowing hair, representing the spirit of freedom and the youthful vitality of the new American Republic. This coin emerged just years after the ratification of the U.S. Constitution, and every inch of it radiates the energy and determination of a young nation striving to establish its identity. The flowing hair cent is not just a piece of copper, it's a witness to history, crafted at a time when the idea of a United States was still fresh and full of ambition. What sets this coin apart is not just its age, but its one-of-a-kind design and presentation. The obverse features Lady Liberty with untamed, flowing hair, a design that was meant to signify freedom and natural beauty. Surrounding her are 13 stars, representing the original 13 colonies. The reverse displays a simple but elegant chain of 15 links, encircling the words 1 cent and United States of America, a symbolic nod to the unity and strength of the early American states. But what truly makes this particular example so extraordinary is its rich, black-shaded tone and very fine condition. Over time, many copper coins darken or corrode, but this example has matured beautifully, acquiring a natural dark patina that enhances its classic appeal. Its preservation in very fine condition means the details remain crisp and the coin holds strong eye appeal, a rare combination that makes this piece a standout in any serious collection. The 1793 flowing hair cent is one of the rarest early American coins, and finding one in very fine condition with a unique black shade is incredibly rare. These coins had a limited mintage of just over 36,000 pieces, and only a fraction have survived the centuries. Most specimens are in poor or corroded condition due to age and circulation. That makes this specific example with clear, sharp features and attractive patina a gem in the eyes of collectors and investors alike. High-grade early copper coins are notoriously difficult to find, and this coin checks every box: rarity, condition, and historic importance. The fact that it's from the very first year of U.S. cent production further magnifies its desirability. Collectors across the globe are constantly on the lookout for coins like this, driving demand ever higher. In today's collectibles market, the value of a 1793 flowing hair cent in very fine condition with a stunning black shade can be truly eye-opening. Recent auctions have seen such coins fetch $2 million, with some pieces surpassing the six-figure mark, depending on specific details and provenance. The demand for rare American coinage, especially those from the foundational years, continues to grow steadily. Collectors and investors alike recognize the long-term value and stability these coins offer. This is more than a collectible, it's a tangible asset with real, appreciable value. With its rich history, artistic design, and unmatched rarity, this coin isn't just surviving the test of time, it's thriving in it, serving as a blue-chip investment in the world of numismatics. If you're considering entering the world of rare coins or expanding your existing collection, a 1793 flowing hair cent in very fine condition is a phenomenal target. When searching for such a coin, always focus on authenticity, eye appeal, and certified grading. Work with reputable dealers or trusted auction houses to ensure you're acquiring a genuine, properly evaluated piece. Coins with a well-preserved surface, natural color toning, and minimal wear, like this beautiful black shaded specimen, are highly sought after and tend to outperform in value over time. Investing in early American copper is not just about money. It's about owning a piece of national heritage that can be proudly passed down through generations. In the world of rare coins, few pieces hold the majesty and mystique of the 1793 flowing hair 1-cent coin. Its historical significance, remarkable design, and incredibly limited availability make it a true masterpiece of American coinage. With its very fine condition and elegant black shade, this coin isn't just rare, it's exceptional. As demand continues to surge and values rise, it stands as a brilliant example of how history and investment can come together in a single object. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a passionate newcomer, owning such a coin places you among an elite group of individuals who recognize true value, both in history and in the marketplace. The 1793 flowing hair cent is not just a coin, it's a legend.